Hey everyone! In this video, I'm breaking down the basics of PLCs, that's Programmable Logic Controllers, in just 3 minutes. Don't worry, I'll make it simple and relatable. Let's dive in. Imagine you're making breakfast using an automatic toaster. You put in the bread, push down the lever, and after a set time, it pops up perfectly toasted. That's basically how a PLC works, but on a much larger industrial scale. A PLC is like the brain of a factory. It's constantly monitoring and controlling machines and processes. Think of it as an industrial computer built tough to handle harsh environments. Unlike your laptop or phone, PLCs are designed to run 24/7 in places that are dusty, hot, or vibrating. Regular computers just wouldn't last. Let's see how a PLC works in action. Picture a bottling plant. The PLC is watching sensors all along the production line. It knows when bottles are in position, monitors fill levels, checks if caps are sealed, and ensures labels are applied correctly. If something goes wrong, like a bottle is underfilled, the PLC acts instantly. It might stop the conveyor belt or trigger an alarm. The programmable part of PLC means engineers can give it specific instructions. For example, if sensor A detects a bottle, wait 2 seconds, then activate the filling mechanism for 3 seconds. These instructions are written in special programming languages, like ladder logic. Ladder logic is great because it looks like an electrical diagram, easy for engineers to read and use. A PLC has 3 main parts. Input modules that receive information from sensors, like temperature gauges or pressure switches. A central processor that makes decisions based on its programming. Output modules that send commands to actuators like motors, valves, or warning lights. What makes PLCs special is their reliability and speed. They can make decisions in milliseconds and rarely need rebooting. That's why you'll find PLCs running critical systems in power plants, water treatment facilities, manufacturing lines, and even amusement park rides. In today's world, PLCs are everywhere. They're the unsung heroes of automation, working tirelessly to keep things running smoothly, from the assembly line that built your car to the systems that ensure your tap water is clean. So, think of a PLC as a highly dedicated, never-sleeping worker. It follows instructions perfectly, makes split-second decisions, and keeps industrial processes safe and efficient. It's the backbone of modern automation, connecting the physical and digital worlds in industry. That's PLCs in a nutshell. Want me to explore a specific aspect in more detail? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching.